Hello and welcome back to the Mindful Magnolias channel. I am so glad you're here because today we're talking all about kid supplements. I know this is a hot topic right now. We all are looking for ways to support our kiddos, to stay healthy, to support their immune system, and to really support them from any of the yucky environmental threats that are going around. So especially if you have kiddos that are back in real school, my kiddos are still doing the online virtual school, but still we want to support their little immune systems to make sure that they are staying healthy and strong this season. So I'm gonna show you the 3 main products that I use with my kids and really how I have protected their immune system to stay healthy and strong all year round. All right, let's jump to it. So the very first one is a really good multivitamin. Now there's so many multivitamins out there and you really have to look at the ingredients. There are some that look great and they look all natural, but when you turn it around and look at the ingredients, they have artificial colors, artificial flavors, synthetic vitamins that our body just can't absorb. We want vitamins that are from whole food sources and that are really bioavailable to the body. So that's why I love the doTERRA A to Z children's chewable tablets. I have found these to be the easiest. My kids take them no problem. They love the way they taste. They have kind of like a watermelon-y flavor and they just love them. So they are chewable, they're not gummies. I'll show you what they look like here. But even my little 2-year-old can take these no problem. He just chomps down on them. And when he was a little younger, I used to cut them in half to make them easier. But these are incredible. And they also have a superfood blend, which I really love. So they have pineapple extract, pomegranate, sunflower seed, greens like spinach, and lots of really, really great foods that maybe our kiddos aren't eating so healthy. So this just kind of helps fill in the gaps and make sure they're getting their nutrients, their vitamins, all of those things they need to stay healthy and strong and support their immune system. When our bodies don't have the proper nutrients, then our immune system can suffer and it can kind of leave some gaps in keeping us healthy and strong. So I make sure my kiddos take these every single day, and this has made a huge difference in their overall health and wellness. Now, the next thing that we use, and I absolutely love, are probiotics. So as you may know, or maybe you don't, over 70% of the immune system is found in our gut, meaning we need good bacteria. We need our gut flora to be healthy so we can also help support our body and stay strong throughout the year with different environmental threats. So probiotics are so important, even for little ones. And I love these 2 that doTERRA provides, the PB Assist Junior, and these are little powder satchels. So you can kind of hear it there. I like to refer to them as a pixie stick because it really is just like when we were kids, you used to open the little pixie stick, shoot it back, and it was so yummy. These are made with all natural with xylitol. These are made with xylitol as the sweetener, natural flavors, and it has a strawberry melon flavor, and my kids absolutely love these. I'll even sprinkle these on some strawberries or some fruit or use it as like a dipping sugar almost. I'll even put these on some fruit, put it on strawberries, or use it as like a dipping powder, and my kids go crazy for them. And even I love these. At the end of the night sometimes, if I want a little something sweet, but I don't really want it, then I'll just have one of these so I know I'm getting my probiotics, and it's also giving me a little bit of that natural sweetness, which is awesome. So aside from the multivitamins and the probiotics, the 3rd thing that I love to give my kids, not every day, but when threats are especially high, if we've been around someone that's been sick, or if I just know that we need extra immune support, I love these immunity gummies from RUTH'S. Now, these have elderberry in them, and if you know a lot about elderberry, elderberry is proving to be an incredible immune supporting ingredient that we can use. It's all natural, again, comes from nature, but elderberry is so powerful in also supporting our body. It gives us antioxidants, and these in particular have vitamin C, they have echinacea in them, and even zinc. And so these are so amazing. They're just gummies, no artificial colors or flavors. And so my kids can just take these little gummies and it gives them added immune support on top of their multivitamin and on top of their probiotics. And of course, we still use our oils every day. I love using their immune rollers every day on the bottoms of their feet and up and down their spine. But this is what we do more internally to support their immune systems from the inside out. So I hope you guys found all that helpful. You can find all these products if you click below. I put together a little kids nutrition bundle for you and even a link to Mary Ruth's if you're looking to get some of those as well. We want to keep our kids' immune system supported now more than ever. It's such a big deal. So if you are looking for natural ways to do that, if you're looking for essential oils and natural solutions, then click below for all the information on how you can do that and keep your kiddo healthy and strong. I also go into all of this at great length in my mini course, Essential Wellness for Littles, when we talk about ways to support kiddos 2 years and older with specific protocols, tried and true blends, and even my favorite natural swaps for products that you might be using in your home already. So be sure to check that out below as well. I hope you enjoyed this video today. And be sure to subscribe to my channel and like the video below so you can be notified when I have a brand new video that comes out and you don't miss a thing. With that, I will sign off and see you guys next week. Bye.